Alright guys, welcome to another video. This one is going to be a working video. Now we're going to go into like a lot more details. We're going to go into some underground tactics that I use, and if you have watched some of my YouTube videos, you know that I usually don't like to start from scratch. I always like to start from something that is working and to model success. And I don't know, this is like a saying, I don't know if you know it, but model success. Don't start success doesn't start from scratch. You have to model something that is already working and proven, and this is what we're going to do in this video. We're going to find how and what other affiliates are doing, because this gravity score for this offer, let's say for the custom keto diet, tells us that these people are making millions of dollars, and I'm not exaggerating. 400 gravity, it means this offer is probably making a couple of millions of dollars a month for the affiliates. That's why we want to find how are they doing it, what they're promoting, how they're promoting it, so we can model their success and be successful for ourselves. I don't know if you already noticed, but once you sort the products, the offers by gravity, you're going to see a lot of diet offers. So like I said, diet is very big, but it's very risky. Google, Facebook, they kind of don't like diet offers, so you have to be very careful when you're promoting diet, and we're going to talk about more on that in later videos. But right now we have like custom keto diet, this is diet. Research, this is diet as well, this is diet offer. Okinawa flat belly, another diet offer. Diabetes, kind of a diet, this is also very big offer. Diabetes, again, kind of risky, but it's like a lot, it's very successful. I mean, a lot of people unfortunately have diabetes and very successful. And then we have more offers. Click Wealth, this is make money online offers. So as you can see, the top offers are mostly into diabetes and make money online. And then we have teeth. Everybody has teeth, right? And this is a teeth offer. I'm again walking through all of the offers just briefly, just to show you that there are a lot of diet stuff. But for this video, once we start researching, I have two offers that I'm gonna be working on, and the one that I found is called Brain Training for Dogs. This is a very good offer. Has gravity of 178, and I'm gonna be working on this offer, and maybe I'm gonna update the training later on once I start setting up. So I'm gonna set up this for myself, but I'm gonna show you the setup for this training. So in the search box, if you type sower, so once you type sower here and click search, we're going to scroll down, and this is the offer I found. And this is how it's called: a hot new offer, Backyard Revolution. The gravity is right around the edge, gravity of 77, it's above 50. So this is what I'm gonna show you today. It's pretty lucrative offer. Even though it doesn't have a lot of gravity, you're going to see why it's so lucrative. So if I click the VSL, this title, we're going to see something. This is the video, and look what it says: MIT Discovery, this is the university, the MIT, Discovery can cut power bills by 65%. So who doesn't want to cut their power bills? That's why this offer is very lucrative. And it talks about, if you play the video, there is this guy from MIT. So he kind of developed a DIY device for solar energy, and it helps people to reduce their power bills by 65%, meaning they're not going to pay a lot of money to the energy companies. So that's an offer we're going to start researching. So we're going to try to find how people are promoting this offer, how people are successful, and can we model the success. So the first thing, this is a special thing that I do. Delete your hop link, just leave the domain name here on top, like that, backyardrevolution.org. And here what I use, it's called SimilarWeb. This is a tool, I can actually access it if I open a new tab and I type SimilarWeb. So we're going to research what kind of traffic this, SimilarWeb, like that. Let's try. So here we go, SimilarWeb. This is the domain name. And if I go back to my offer right here, and I'm gonna copy the domain name. So I'm doing this right on the fly, by the way. I haven't done this, I haven't prepared, I wanted to do it naturally. So this is the whole process. Basically, this is I'm showing you, and you're going to see through the entire training everything from scratch. This is a raw material I did not prepare, so excuse me if something is not loading or not popping up. But that's the whole process, and this is how I do it with any offer. I run a lot of offers, I promote a lot of different offers, but stick to one offer. Once you start making money with one offer, jump to the next one. As you saw from my stats in the earlier video, I make money with Ted's Woodworking, I make money with Lost Book, I make money even with this offer. As you can see, I have made 25 bucks here with this offer, but this is, I am not promoting it yet. This is, I think these are some traffic comes from my email list. So, and we're going to talk about email lists later in the training and how you can build a passive income. But let's go back to SimilarWeb. Here, paste your domain name, the one we copied, backyardrevolution.org. Hit enter. Let's see if they have any stats. Hopefully they do, so I don't have to start from scratch. And yes, they do. Perfect. Now, total visits 78,000. Decent. This is per month. 78,000. Usually I like to see something above 50,000. So 78,000, 72,000 is right around the edge. And if I scroll down, so what we want to do here is we want to see the traffic that comes to this landing page. And it says direct, but I don't think so. It's not accurate. But what we want to see here is the referrals. This is a free extension, SimilarWeb. So by referrals, from the referrals, we can see people who are referring to this landing page. And so the first domain name, let's see this one. And I'm gonna go to the website. So basically, this is a website that is has the link Backyard Revolution on their own website. So we want to see. Let's open this. How the website looks like, and also what kind of traffic it gets. And again, I have the SimilarWeb extension here. So I'm gonna click this extension to see if they have any traffic. They don't have any stats, which is fine. Then we're gonna go to the next website, which is Canadian something. So click this website, open this website as well. And now what I do, I always, and this is what I recommend you do, I always, once I start doing the research, once I start going in depth with the offers that I'm gonna be promoting, I always write down every information, every piece of information I find. And I don't know if you know the saying, that's another saying, smart people write and not so smart people memorize. So don't memorize, just open a text edit. So I'm going to open a text edit on my Mac, and I'm going to say new document. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to first start typing referral websites to, and this is the title of this document is going to be Solar DIY device. And this is going to be the name of the offer, which is right here. Hot new offer, Backyard Revolution. So I'm gonna copy this title. I'm gonna copy that, open my text edit, and I'm gonna hit dash, and I'm gonna paste what I just copied, and hopefully it copies the link. So yes, it's the link. So basically what I do, this is my title, and I'm gonna highlight just the title right here. And I'm gonna say it's not regular, this is bold, so it's kind of a title. And I have to open my fonts here to make it a title. So I have to click, right click, and then go to fonts, show fonts, and then I'm gonna say this is actually my title, and I don't see the title here for some reason. But anyways, this is my title, and this is my subtitle, so I can refer to this to the actual offer. And I have documents for all of the offers that I promote. So later on, if I want to add something, I can simply, even if I have forgotten the offer, because I have so many offers and sometimes you forget the offers, you don't know what you're running. So that's why I have the link. So once I click the link, it's going to redirect me to the actual offer, so I can recall and be like, ah, okay, this is the MIT something. All right, so go back here, and I usually type, let me zoom in. So the first thing we're going to do is referral websites, and this is referral websites, and I'm going to start typing them. So referral website number 1 is going to be this one that we found, the Daily Survivor. Copy this, paste it here, and this is all the information. I mean, collect a lot of information so you can later on, this is the second website, so later on we are going to be using this. These are our referrals. This is basically what we do. We do due diligence. We're kind of researching the offer, finding what works, how are they promoting. We want to get familiar with the offer. To promote something and to be successful with something, you have to know what you're promoting. That's why we want to see everything. So the second website that I opened was the Canada Free Press. Then I'm going to hit the similar web icon as well. Now we have stats. This website gets 400 monthly visits, which is insane. It's huge. Now, what we want to see here is the actual landing page they use to link to ClickBank, because now we're on the home page, right? And I don't know how they are promoting the product. They're just Donald Trump here. It's like impeachment or something. There's some news. So what we want to do, this is another special trick that I use. Open a new tab and type Google search operators. We're going to be using something that nobody else is using. These are the search operators. And go to, let's see, maybe the first one. No, not the first one. Refine web searches. This is from Google, support.google.com. So refine web searches. Click this. And now we can see the Google operators. All of the operators are here. I know it kind of looks confusing, but don't worry. You can pause the video, watch it a couple of times, and by the end, everything is going to clears out for you. So what we want to use here, we want to use an operator called site. This is the operator. So once we type site and then the site name, what Google is going to do is going to give us all the landing pages a certain website has. So how are we going to do it? Over here, I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to type site column, just like that. And then I'm going to go back to the actual landing page from, oh no, actually I'm going to go to the Canada Free Press. So I want to see all of their landing pages. So I want to find the one that is related to the ClickBank product. So I'm going to copy this landing page, this website. I'm going to go back here where it says site. I'm going to paste what I just copied, and make sure you delete everything, all the dashes, all the HTTP, and leave only site column canadafreepress.com / delete even the slash and hit enter. Now Google should give us results. So we have 44,000 results, and these are landing pages related to this website. Of course, a lot of landing pages. So I mean, if you have time, you can scroll through all of them, but I don't have time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit space here in the search, and we're going to use another Google modulator, which is the plus sign. And the plus sign, we're going to insert a keyword. And what kind of keyword is going to be related to this landing page? So let's see if we can find keywords. MIT Discovery can cut power bills. So let's try with power bills. I'm going to go and I'm going to say power, just power. Let's try this. The anti-development bank, the power of capitalism, Democrats. Okay, let's try plus power bills, like that. Energy poverty is a keyword. The real reason, Germany, blah blah blah. Energy, let's try, so it doesn't pull up, so I'm gonna try energy. And development, global warming. Let's try MIT accepted, MIT ridiculous. Okay, so now I'm trying to find a landing page that is related to the actual ClickBank offer. So I can't find it, but what we can do, I'm going to try to find it. I mean, this is like a process that you have to follow. But let me try to find if I have something on the other website that we opened. So we found Canada Free Press, and then we have this website, the dailysurvivor.net. So let me just try the dailysurvivor.net. So I'm going to copy this website for the sake of the time of this training. So I don't want to do a lot of research, but you got the point. You have to research. Hopefully, let's see if this website pops up. Again, delete everything like that. No spaces, just site column, thedailyadvisor.net. Hit enter. Okay, we're better here. So we have just 10 results. Let's see if they have hidden. Okay, there we go. How Backyard Revolution helps. So this is the landing page we are looking for. So let's click this result and let's see how the landing page looks like. Oh, they're literally linking to the actual landing page from ClickBank. As we can see here is hoplink equals Sura Jusu blah blah blah. Okay, this is their hoplink. Someone else's hoplink. Let's go back to Google Sites. Leave, and then let's try this landing page. How Backyard Revolution helps to power a home without. Okay, now we have a more sophisticated landing page, which is a quiz landing page, and this is what we're going to be covering in this video. I work with a lot of quiz pages just because they're very interactive and people really love them. But what we just did here is we found how these people from ClickBank are promoting this product. So how Backyard Revolution helps to power a home without a dependency on energy companies. So yes, no, this is a quiz, so let's fill out the quiz. Let's see, it's an interactive quiz, almost self-powered. That's pretty good, by the way, almost self-powered. So they basically tell you that you can power your entire home, and I've been running this offer, by the way, so they use some of my images as well, I guess, but this is a different offer. So I agree, show me the video. Let's see, we should be redirected, yes, to ClickBank. Perfect. Now what we want to do, go back, copy this landing page. This is the landing page, Power Saver. So copy this, open your text edit, and here these are the referral websites. So this is the main websites, but now that we found the direct landing page that links to ClickBank, we want to put another title here, and we're going to say landing pages. So these are the landing pages that link straight to ClickBank. So I'm gonna say one is the one I just found, enter, like that, and I'm going to probably bold these so we know these are bolder. I'm gonna make like that. So referral websites, I'm gonna hit probably not 12 but 14, and landing pages is going to be 14. So this is our document. This is very essential document to be successful. The more information you gather, the more successful you will be. Like I said, we're going to copy success. We're not going to start from scratch. Now, another special trick here. So once we have found this landing page, it's awesome. What I recommend, once you find this landing page, again, click the similar web, but this website doesn't have any data anyways. Okay, so try to find the website, the landing pages from all of the referral websites. The next thing we want to do is go back to the Google operators. And you know what? Go back, because I don't like how it's written. Somewhere I found a better, so let's try SEMrush, Ultimate Guide to Google Search Operators. Let's see. I found a table where they were listed and how they work. Let's try to find this table. It's not here. Okay. Let's see. SpyFew, Google Operators list. If I just type, so Google Search Operators list. Oh, let's try this one. This is from Hcrafts. Let's see, are they listed in a table? No, they're not. Man, I'm trying to find them, and you can use them literally for any offer you want. So Moz, and again, I apologize. Like I said, I purposely did not prepare for this video for the entire training, because I wanted to do it naturally. This is So you see how I do it naturally. It's not like, oh, this is the presentation, or step 1, do this, step 2. This is the real process, and I want it to be as real as possible with you. So that's why I'm kind of losing your time now. But, oh, okay, here are they listed. In title, aligned in title, in URL. Okay, these are the operators that we need. So we use the operator called site. Now what we want to use is in title. So in title is going to pull up, Google is going to give us results with a keyword that we specified in the, that we tell Google, you know. So let me show you. Okay, I'm kind of getting you confused here. So let's copy this in title, copy this search operator, open a new tab, paste your search operator. And here what we want to tell Google is, Google, look through the entire internet and find me pages that in their titles have this keyword. And I'm gonna quote, you have to do quotes, quotation, quote and quote, double quotes. Go back to, let's say, backyard, and we want to say power bills, or discover a power bill. So let's see, or let's say backyard revolution. So this is the title that we want, backyard revolution. Copy that. So we want to find all the landing pages. So go back here. We want to find all the landing pages that they're related to the backyard revolution offer, and paste backyard revolution here and hit enter. Let's see what we have. Oh, perfect. So see that these are backyard revolution, AP news, backyard revolution. So basically what we told Google, hey Google, in the titles of all the website on the entire internet, look for backyard revolution keyword, but it must be in quotes, because if you don't put the quotation, I can still do that. If you just hit enter now, Google will pull, again, I'm getting kind of the same results, but Google will pull, let's say, titles only with backyard and titles only with revolution or combined. So we tell Google, we want these exact 2 keywords to be inside the title. So hit enter, and now we have 170,000 results. But when we put quotation and I hit search, let's see how many we will have. Just 7,000. Did you see that? So I kind of refined my searches, and this is very important. Again, maybe it looks complicated, but it really isn't. Again, I like I said, just pause the video, watch it a couple of times, but this is essential for your success. I'm gonna try to explain it again real quick. When you put quotation and when you put in title, basically the title of the website is this, what I just copied. So let me show you. This is the title. That's a title, and the title is right here in this tab. You see, when I hover over, you see the title, how backyard revolution helps to power a home. So that's why I asked Google, hey Google, search for in title column backyard revolution. But when I remove the quotation, Google will start looking for so many different combinations, and sometimes in the results he can just find revolution without the backyard and look with the results. So I'm gonna hit search. Without the quotation, we have 170,000 results. But when I put the quotation and I tell Google, Google, I want those 2 keywords to be in the title, and I'm gonna hit search, and we should have, instead of 170,000, now we have just 7,000. So now what you need to do, start opening this one by one. So let's see, this is how they're promoting this offer. So let's see this website. This is a landing page. It doesn't look they don't have a call to action, so go back. Let's try to find other websites. Backyard Revolution Reveal, Backyard Revolution official. Let's try this landing page, this website. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, okay. This one is okay. If I click buy now, it should redirect me to the hop link. Let's try that. Okay, it redirects me straight to the ClickBank landing page, to the checkout page, which is fine. Go back. What we want to do, this landing page has a lot of copy here. So because we don't want to hire a professional copywriter and you don't want to be a professional copywriter, that's another reason we collect these landing pages, to copy to duplicate some of their text or to learn how they're promoting the product. So we have copy here. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this landing page, go back to my to my text edit, and in my landing pages I'm gonna hit enter. Number 2, this is the one we found, and then we're gonna put number 3, and let's jump to the next one, and to the next one, and to the next one. So Backyard Revolution solar review, book about solar energy. So let's open this in a new tab, scroll down, second page. I'm not a robot. Yeah, Google will ask you if you're a robot when you're using the Google modulators, because no one is using them, nobody is using them, just we, the marketers, the smarter marketers, by the way, not just the marketers. So let's see, Backyard Revolution, the greatest solar scam of 2020. Let's open this one to see. I'm kind of curious. It says in question mark, so let's open, let's see how it looks like. Is that the scam? Is it a scam? Backyard Revolution, the greatest solar scam. Blah 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 blah. Order now. So it's not a scam. Okay, so again to the ClickBank checkout page. So basically what they do here is, oh, that's another page I just opened, so let me go back. So basically this is another angle you can position the product. Oh, is the Backyard Revolution a scam? And people, when they see scam, they're more likely to click on your landing page. So this is a very good landing page, by the way. So I'm gonna copy this, and it's a smart thing to check the traffic to these landing pages that you're finding. So I'm gonna click SimilarWeb to see if they have any traffic. So when it says we're sorry, it doesn't mean that they don't have any traffic. It means that they have sometimes a lot of smart marketers will put so-called Google bots on their landing pages. It means it's going to prevent SimilarWeb to scrape the website and find the data about the website. So sometimes it doesn't mean that it doesn't get the traffic. It means that it just they have hidden the stats of their website. So let's copy this domain name, go back to our text edit and hit enter, paste. So instead of losing your time anymore, do this with a lot of landing pages. So gather information about a lot of landing pages, find a lot of landing pages and put them in your text edit file. And in the next video, you're going to see how we're going to start crafting something else, another special underground strategies and secrets. But here, one more advice before I let you go, is go to the Google modulators that we found here and research all of these modulators. They're very, very important and they're very helpful. For example, last modulator that we can use is in URL. So if I click in URL and hit copy and go back here, let's say I'm gonna open a new tab. In URL, basically we're going to ask Google, hey Google, find me everything that is inside this URL. And for example, I've been researching some ClickFunnels landing pages. So when you type in URL ClickFunnels, you're going to see a lot of landing pages, ClickFunnels revealed, that are related to ClickFunnels. But in our case, we want to search for Backyard Revolution. So I'm gonna copy Backyard Revolution, copy that and go back to your in URL stat. So delete ClickFunnels or just leave it empty, and I'm gonna paste Backyard Revolution and hit enter. So Backyard Revolution review, is it worth it? And again, Google will find a lot of results, but this time instead of the title of the URL, it's going to start looking for keywords that are in the actual URL. So let's click this landing page. Let's see how it looks like. This is kind of a block looking landing page. I accept. Okay, check out Backyard Revolution, and then go to solar review. Is it worth it? Backyard Revolution is Backyard blah blah blah. So a lot of stuff here going on, but you can, like I said, you can use this with Backyard Revolution or any page, any offer that you want to find. So if you go back to ClickFunnels, to ClickBank, I'm sorry, you just pick an offer, right? You just pick an offer here. I'm just showing you the solar, the Backyard Revolution as an example. But if you go not solar, just click like that. let's say keto or keto diet or research. This is a very big offer. So if I click that, and I can actually go to copy, this is the actual keyword, research, copy this is a diet offer. So let me pause this and close this page. Basically, research is the keyword. This is how the offer is called. So you can do a lot of research about different offers. So in URL, I'm going to paste research. In URL column research, and let's see if we find yeah, we have research review, blah blah blah. So again, a lot of details, a lot of different offers popping up. So do your research here for whatever offer you decided to go with, and like I said, collect a lot of data like I showed you. So here's the process, just to summarize. Find an offer in the top 3 with good gravity, then open the offer in SimilarWeb, the domain name, like we just did here. This is the Backyard Revolution. Start researching different domain names, then start researching the actual landing page that are related to the domain names. Then on Google, start researching in URL, I mean in title, and maybe in URL, but in title should be just fine. And maybe pause this video, stop this video, and don't watch the rest. Just make sure that you get this part, because in the next part we're actually going to go into more in depth. It's going to be easier than this time. I promise. Next video is going to be easier. This one is kind of a more difficult, but is very essential to gather a lot of information about the offer you want to promote, because we want to outsmart everybody else. So I'll see you in the next video. Do this process a couple of times, watch the video a couple of times, and make sure you have a lot of information. But if you don't worry, because in the next video and the next 2-3 videos in the training, I'm going to show you other ways that you can kind of spy on other people's landing pages and how they are promoting the products. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.